Hi, my name is April Beasley. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE Healthcare. Today I'm going to go over how to start a new exam on a patient that was previously done on our system. So sometimes you will get this message and it says patient ID conflict detected, and that means that you are entering in a patient ID that already matches one that's on the system, and either the name or date of birth doesn't match what's already on there. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to go about getting around that. So you can search by name here, or you can scroll down, but you'll want to find the patient that you are entering in. So I'm looking for John Smith. And then you select it by putting a green check mark in the box. And then you're going to hit New Exam here. And it's going to create a new exam for John Smith, and it's going to hold his same name, date of birth, patient ID that was already entered in previously.